How to install Uniswap application on iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to install Uniswap application on your iPhone device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, now click on the search bar and search for Uniswap. After search for it, click on the first option where you can see this icon for unicorn. Tap on it. Now click on Get. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So as you guys can see, it's installing on our device. Once it gets downloaded, just simply tap on open. Once you click on open, you are ready to go. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to install Uniswap application on your iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.